by De Bruyne. Here is Wallace. Check for a penalty. The referee didn't really hesitate. A spot kick to Chelsea. Well, the Singer All-Stars felt it was a bit soft. Wallace received the ball. Was there contact there from Lazarus Kaimbi? Well, there was. And yes, it might have looked soft, but technically that is a penalty. Wallace looks rather pleased with himself. And he has made an impression, the young Brazilian, in the opening 33 minutes. Will be left to Romelu Lukaku. Sana, the goalkeeper, at the ready. And here is Lukaku, an emphatic penalty. And Chelsea have the lead in Bangkok. Blue is the colour. Nothing Cristiano could do about that. Low and hard and decisive. Approaching it from the angle. Lukaku on target. Chelsea have their first goal of the pre-season. Their first under Jose Mourinho.